Ain't no way this my shit, bro. What the fuck? And that's my shit? What the fuck? What the fuck going on? Oh my God, bro.
Later. Later.
Sir, and just so you know, you're on record as well. What's that?
You're on record as well. You're on dash.
Standing.
You're on dash cam, just so you know.
That's fine. So, one, you're doing 80 miles an hour when I passed you.
Okay.
And then two, then you caught up, then you were following me
Aren't
doing
you
90 miles
supposed
an
to
hour.
lead by example, sir?
I'm
Why are you
not
doing?
willing to
Why are you
train you right
doing
now.
95
So,
on
give me a license registration.
Daddy, chill.
Sir, I got you covered. Here you go. And I'm gonna grab my license in my right pocket. You're doing 90. You're doing 95. No, you're doing 95. You're
I
supposed to
sped up
lead by
because I'm
example.
doing my radar.
No, you're supposed to lead by example, sir. Don't try and
Got him. We fucking got him.
play it. It's all on record. That's fine. You do what you gotta do because you're having a bad morning. I'm having a great morning.
I'm having a great
Here
morning,
you
too.
go.
You going to jail?
State for a speeding zone, tickets to turn to Scribble Town Court. Day and time if you want to appear in person.
Did
Long
you
as
write
plead
yourself a
guilty or not
ticket?
guilty by- Long as you plead guilty or not guilty by mail. Follow the instructions on this back of citation or appear on that date. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, did you write yourself a ticket?
Drive safe, slow down.
What's your name and badge number?
Write on the ticket. Shield
All right.
3783.
All right, make sure you're doing the speed limit when you get out of here. You didn't pull me over for going 80, so. I wonder what happens if I get that close to him.
Right.
I can read his license plate clear from here.
Up ass. Driving like a fucking dick. Maniac. But if we did that, it'd be fucking following too close. Pull us over.
Got me sweating already this morning.
You don't want to do 95 now.
What did he dock me for? Check the speed. I wonder if he got me for 95 and a fucking 65.
He didn't want to answer no fucking questions. But he's doing 90.
Yeah, he's still fucking moving. What do you get me for? Did he not put a speed on?